Hi there, it's Mike Smith from Hawkeye Options. Hope you had a great weekend. We're looking at really an interesting week ahead with earnings starting to ramp up. We had some good numbers from the banks on Friday, but really this is when things really sort of start to get interesting. Of course, caution is merited during earnings season simply because stocks and inferences on other stocks in that sector are thrown all around the place. We've got a couple of things we're going to share with you this week, and we're going to stay away from a stock that's reporting for the right now, but tomorrow make sure you're tuning in because we've got something special to share with you in terms of an earnings tactic. But for today we're looking at GPS, and the reason for this is really its flirtation with a pretty key price point. So we'll start with looking at the weekly chart, and you'll see here how $27, where I've put this mark, is really quite an extraordinarily important price point for GPS. You'll see here we've toyed with it through July, August and September, and we're revisiting it again after a sharp pop-up following some sales figures last week. So back at 27 after a fairly major decline with this wide bar. We haven't really broken this wide bar with any conviction, and although we have finished over the top of the wide bar, you'll see we still didn't break 27. We've got two pivots now there, as well as this great big line in the sand. So we've got buying volume obviously on daily. This will turn to buying volume, we suspect, on the 2-day, but wait until it has, because it may not. It may still be in neutral volume, and we've got buying volume on the weekly as well. So it's really not cooked yet, and so what we want to see is we want to see a break of 27 with a last hour price that's in the top third of the bar before we get interested in this. If we were going to get interested in this, we may play a credit spread, perhaps at 26, 25, or we may just go straight bought call, try and scalp 20-30% off the position. That's what we're looking at today. But tune in tomorrow. As I said, we've got an earnings play tomorrow which we think will be really interesting. It's a generic strategy which you can apply to any stock, so well worth tuning in. See you then.